a nice Lamborghini. Oh, I kind of like this color, red one. Hi guys, what's up? I have to do this again. In my last video I was in Germany in McDonald's. In this summer they have this menu where you can taste different McDonald's foods from different countries. Last time I tasted hamburgers from UK, Canada and Malaysia, and then some French fries and some drinks. They changed now this menu. Sadly they have only one new hamburger, but I think that's going to be pretty interesting. It's from Mexico. And then they have some new desserts from different countries and some sauces. And one interesting thing was that in my last video I tasted a hamburger from Canada. It was with the maple syrup, and I think it was the best of those three hamburgers. Sadly, actually, in this new menu they don't have it anymore. They still have these hamburgers from UK and Malaysia, which were also last time. One guy from, I think it was a guy, he sent a message that he never had a maple syrup in his hamburger in Canada. I went to Canada McDonald's website. Yeah, I couldn't find this kind of hamburger in their menu. Then I checked the UK menu, I checked Malaysia menu. Also they didn't have these hamburgers. Are those some old ones or what's the deal? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm looking forward to try this hamburger from Mexico. I think it was something with habanero or something like that. This time I'm going to a different McDonald's in Germany. So obviously I have to go over the border because I live in Switzerland. I think soon I will be. Actually, I have only 11 minutes left. Okay, it seems that I was a little bit too early in McDonald's. They still had this breakfast menu there. I couldn't find the special food. This breakfast menu is still 10:30. Okay, now it's 10:48, so I will go back. I came to Lidl to buy some stuff, soap and some candies and some deodorant, which is quite much cheaper here. Now I'm going back to McDonald's and I hope I can find a different menu. Okay, that took quite long time. I think I was the first customer with this normal menu. I will first try this Sprite. This is watermelon and it's a little bit pinkish. That's from India. Of course it's not from India, but I think maybe the flavor is from India. The previous menu they had this Sprite Kirsch something, and that was pretty good actually. This is I don't know, quite tasteless. Next I will try this Netz Kartoffeln. I think these are only from Germany. This is in their special menu list, so crispy outside, soft inside. That's pretty good. Maybe a little bit more salt. Maybe I will try this later with some dips. This chicken samurai I tasted last time. It was okay, nothing very special. I took this to our foster kid because he had allergy for milk and eggs, and this should be without milk and eggs. There is no cheese, for example, so that's for him. Next I will try these garlic pepper chicken McNuggets. These should be from Japan. Oh, you can taste this garlic. Obviously you can choose different sauces. I took for this black pepper soy sauce. That's also from Japan. I would like this more crispy outside. These are quite soft, but not bad. This I can definitely taste this garlic and this pepper. This is what I was waiting for. Does it look the same than in the pictures? From Mexico. Habanero. One meat patty. I think lots of sauce there inside. Lots of salad, tomato. This is actually quite small. Okay, I think that's pretty normal. Mexico. Looks pretty tasty. Oh, I can, yeah. Habanero. I can taste this, yeah. I like spicy food. It's called habanero ranch. That was okay. That's called yuzu cream cheese pocket. That's from Singapore. This is warm. Let's see. There is some stuff inside, and that's actually pretty good. That was pretty good. I like that. Next one. Oh yeah, okay. That looks interesting. And that's called matcha latte. Oh, it smells like spinach or something. What is that? That's from Indonesia. Oh. That's warm, by the way. It also tastes like some kind of green vegetable. I don't like this one. And the last one, how should I say this? That's from Italy. Baci perucina, mamma mia. Milkshake. Is there some kind of chocolate? I like milkshakes. These are... It kind of tastes a little bit like strawberry. Dark chocolate and hazelnuts from Italy. It's not bad. It's not bad. I think strawberry or banana are still my favorite milkshakes. But let's see the receipt. Okay, altogether 43.63. It's quite much food. I'm not going to try these dips now. This matcha latte, regular whatever, from Indonesia, that's going straight to garbage. I don't like it. Oh, that's so bad. Maybe if you like vegetables, maybe you like this, but I don't like this. This is going straight to the garbage. I'm sorry about that. So, what was the best today? Yuzu cream cheese pocket. That was pretty good. habanero ranch. Yeah, that was good. This hamburger was good. I like spicy food, so that's the best today. I like this idea that you can try different stuff. I think that's it. I will go back home. About this location, that was only 3 minutes from the border. That's even closer than this first one where I was. Alright, again this kind of food review. I like to make this, of course I can eat stuff. Okay, let's go back home. Thanks guys for watching, by the way. Bye. It's actually more and more I drink this watermelon Sprite. It's getting better. It's getting better till the end. Maybe this sugar is on the bottom.